Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. In today's video, I will show you how to set custom vibrations on your iPhone. Did you know you can create custom vibrations on your iPhone for individual contacts? So you will know exactly who's calling or texting. First, you have to go to contacts. Click on search bar and find the person you want to set a custom vibration for. Tap edit in the upper right corner and scroll down. You can tap text tone to change the vibration for text messages or tap ringtone for phone calls. We are going to change our ringtone vibration. Tap vibration on the ringtone options screen and then you can select a standard vibration from the list. Or tap create new vibration to tap out a custom pattern yourself. Let's create something new. Just tap the screen to create the vibration pattern you want. How about something like this? Tap stop in the bottom right corner when you are done. You can tap play in the bottom left corner to fill the pattern playback, or tap record in the bottom right corner if you want to redo it. Tap save in the upper right corner to save your new vibration pattern and then name it. Tap save again when you are done. Your new vibration will be listed alongside other custom vibration options, and you can use it for any text tones or ringtones. Tap the back arrow in the upper left corner to go back to the edit screen of your contact. Tap done in the upper right corner when you are ready and tap done again to exit the edit screen. Now you can create custom vibrations for as many different contacts as you would like. So you will always know who's calling even if you don't see your screen.
iPhone.
This was today's video. For more iPhone tips, subscribe to the Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.